Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the BLAQ Electric Toothbrush. This is $30 in Amazon right now. So if you guys are looking for a very minimalistic kind of electric brush, maybe this is something for you. So this is the very first time I'm checking out this brand. It came out last January 24th. So it comes with a manual, so you guys can see. And now the charger is different, so it's not your typical USB-C. It is USB-C end, but the other end is not. Okay, so that's that. And it's also not that long as well, so I'm not sure. You want to make sure that you don't lose this one because you're going to be in big trouble. This is about 9 inches, almost 12 inches, I'm not sure. Okay, now let's go ahead. It comes with two brush heads. Let's go see what kind of brush head this is. They are the same. So it's kind of like the charcoal kind. Very nice and soft bristle. So these will be very good if you have a sensitive teeth. But if you don't, you might not like this kind. Very lightweight. Now let's go check out these. So there is a 3 brushing mode on this one. The normal mode, gentle mode, and the pulse mode. So this is where the battery indicator is. And now you just... Ooh, looks like it's kind of like magnetic, so not sure. Very nice. And then there is where you charge it. Now let's go see if there is any battery in here. So about the same loudness on my other toothbrush. And then when you want to go change the mode, you gotta have to turn it off. And then there we go. So this one will gonna be the gentle mode. Oh my goodness, this is like the vibration is very strong. Now let's go try the other one. Okay, so this is the pulse. You know it's the pulse because there's like the pause. And you can really see from the tip of the... I'm not sure if you guys can see it from this angle, but very strong vibration. Oh my goodness. Okay, there it says it got 8 times more cleaning power compared to your conventional oscillating power toothbrush, just like my Oral-B. Got an automatic turn off after 2 minutes, I believe. Okay, so turning off is very easy. I thought it'll gonna show the battery indicator. It's not. So I guess when you're charging, it'll gonna show in here when it is being charged, and then you'll know when it is time to charge. There is 30,000 strokes per minute, and the battery should last 25 days of your normal use, like once a day, 2 minutes each time. And so if you are traveling, it is very lightweight. It doesn't come with a bag, so when you bring it, you gotta have to make sure you bring these and these. But is it $30 worth of electric toothbrush? I am not sure, but I love how minimalistic look it is. But I'm very disappointed that they use the different socket or charging port in this one here, because I would like to use the one that I can use for my phone in case I lost the charger. So that is that. And also it only comes with 1 extra brush head. For that price, I have something that is like $19 with 8 pieces of extra brush heads. So that is quite a disappointment, but at least looking at the bristles on this one, this feels so much better than the cheap one that I have used in the past. So maybe that is a good thing. So it's not so hard, not too soft, so it's just perfect. So if you guys, like I said, if you have a sensitive teeth, that's gonna be a good one. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used this one and if you guys would buy it for $30, knowing that this only comes with all this stuff in here. And what do you guys think about this? This is a new kind since it comes out January, and I would like to know your thoughts about it. And with that as said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Age, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.